Few, like me, have found the honesty part of NVC a little bit tricky. Perhaps you find yourself focusing more on compassion because you feel a bit ashamed or guilty about hurting the other person's feelings. Or maybe you end up in this robotic, clunky version of honesty, which doesn't feel like it's as authentic as it lives within you. If so, I'd love to invite you to join me in the session at the NVC London Community Day, where my hope is to support you to share the gift of your honesty by slowing down into presence and sharing what's really true for you from that alive, honest place that is connected to your heart.
Hi, I'm Janine. I'm going to be delivering a session for people who are new to NVC on Saturday at the London NVC Community event, or for people who have previous knowledge of NVC and would like a refresher. My session will be on the basics of NVC. We'll be exploring the core principles and processes as created by the psychologist Marshall Rosenberg. We'll be getting a sense of how it can support a journey away from the notions of right and wrong, good and bad, conflict and compromise, towards a place of authenticity, compassion and connection, a place where everyone's needs can be met. If this appeals to you, come and join me on Saturday. I look forward to seeing you then.
Hi, my name is Kate and I'll be offering a session at the NVC Community Day on Saturday called Too Triggered for NVC. Do you ever feel so intensely upset, angry, anxious, or even numb that you don't feel able or willing to connect with needs, let alone feel open to them? In this session, I hope to support you to become more aware and accepting of some of these acute stress responses, however they may show up in you, and to look at and develop some practical strategies for coming back to yourself with care and compassion. If this resonates with you and you'd like to know more, do please join me.
Hello, my name is Justyna and I will be doing the movement workshop inspired by needs. And this is going to be a fun and collaborative process using some choreographic devices such as action, dynamics, space and relationship. You don't need to have any experience with dancing or choreographing. I'm going to be guiding you through the process. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ceri. I'm going to offer a session on NVC and social change, which is why I'm sharing this cartoon, which is a little bit about how NVC and how it creates social change often works. We learn a little bit of NVC and then a miracle occurs. And that sometimes happens, but let's unpack what is actually happening. So we're going to look at the difference between inner work and outer work and how NVC does create social change. And we're also going to respond compassionately to the impacts that are caused and experienced when we're in this dance between inner work and outer work. And hopefully we'll have an embodied experience of how to hold multiple truths and move beyond either or thinking. Hope to see you there.